I got the first parts of my charm keychain whole lot of things that I ordered online, because I want to make like those cute charm keychain things for conventions, and it's a lot cheaper to get the compartments of that off of Aliexpress, because you can order them in bulk, and like, for example, those rings you would put on your keychain for 4 pairs, you would pay €2 in a hobby shop. Why you got it? Okay. But yeah, you can order like 15 of them for like $5 online. So that's what I did. But they're all like little packages from different sellers. So I'm just gonna have to stay home the next 2 weeks to receive all of that. And this is the first one. I blocked out my name and phone and address and stuff. That's only my first name there, because I was like, that's fine. And I was about to open it, and then I was like, oh, this might be fun for a video like that I probably won't make until I get everything and I can actually film myself making the keychains or something. But it would be fun to have me opening all the packages, or at least as many as possible, I would think. So that's what I'm doing now. If this is ever gonna see the light of day, it won't be until until like quite a while, because I only ordered the actual charms yesterday. Although they are only from the UK, so they should be in there a lot quicker. Okay, yeah, that's... What the fuck? Okay, no, that's it. That's good. Alright, ooh, these are actually the clasps. Oh, yes! Oh, God bless. Oh wait, I got it. There we go. I ordered a bunch of these kind of things. I even asked online, would you prefer the crab, the lobster clasp, which are these, or like the normal rings on keychains? And a lot of people prefer these. I ordered both of them for now, so I can also just kind of check on a convention how it's actually gonna go. But I just I just ordered a bunch because these specifically are definitely more expensive than the jumper rings. But if they're also more popular, like, I just want to give people quality stuff, to be honest. I don't care if it's a little more expensive. Kind of the same as with my prints. So yeah, I just got a whole bag of these. Oh man, I'm so ready for everything else to come into. There we go. So this should be, oof, quite a bit. Oh, there's rings in here. Oh, this is the package that had both of them. Oh, yes. Okay. All right. Okay, I am gonna count though, because I should have like a certain amount of everything. And I want to make sure that I have that. I should like... $50. I think that's about right. That was what's supposed to was in there, I believe. I'm not quite sure, but I'll check in a bit. There we go. And I'll immediately kind of put them away. So I got like this big sorting box that I bought specifically for the charm components, I guess, but I ended up using it for a bunch of different shit because it's just super handy. And I'm probably gonna have to make more space in it when I get like other stuff. Like this is definitely gonna go out there, but for now it works. I won't lose it in my suitcase at least. So yeah, go in there. Yeah, I found this weird. You just wow. Why is it there? Ah, come on. No, okay, no, I guess not. Guess I'll just fucking come raining down. Yeah, there we go. That was not what I meant. There we go. That's better. I'll check if this. Yes! Oh, hell yeah. Perfect. Haha. Oh, this one is. That's not so good. Oh. I'll sort those out later. Oh, okay. But so that was the first package of my charm stuff. Here's to many more of those. So I had quite a lot of fun making a little vlog like this. I got the package in the mail today and I immediately went for filming it because I've been searching for ways to update my YouTube more often. And I've been quite enjoying watching other artists do stuff like unpacking, unboxing, con prepping, anything really that's not necessarily drawing. And I thought this might be interesting for you guys too. So if you like this sort of stuff, let me know. I would make an entire series of me just like showing the stuff as I get it in, and it would end with me making a video of me actually making the charm, so you would see that part as well. Again, I don't know how interesting con prepping is for a lot of you guys. I don't even know if you're interested in conventions or just like drawings online, I guess, but it takes me quite a lot of time to make speed paints or make animations. I have to like take time apart, as like specially prepare for that, so this is a lot easier for me to do. One thing that I would change is that the audio quality was not the greatest in this video. I just took my phone and I went for it, but I completely forgot to hook up my microphone and actually record the audio in a much better quality, so I would change that for next time. But if you want to see more videos like this, let me know.